Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your enterprise bank account online. To do so, firstly, you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.enterprisebanking.com and then press enter. This will take you to their website. Before we begin, I would like to tell you more about this bank. Enterprise Bank is a full-service community bank based in Lowell, Massachusetts, serving businesses and individuals primarily in the greater Merrimack Valley and North Central Massachusetts regions. Enterprise Bank focuses on building strong relationships with their business customers and providing personalized banking solutions to support their financial goals and growth aspirations. Now, before you log in, you have to make sure that you have an account first. If you haven't created an account before, then you may not be able to log in. If you do have an account, you may proceed. Now, to log in, you can see the account login option right beside the open an account option at the right side of your screen. However, if you don't have an account yet, you may create one by clicking on the open an account option, which is right beside the account login option, or by clicking on the Enroll in Personal Online Banking link right below the login button. If you do have an account, you may proceed by clicking on the Select Login method. This will open a drop-down. Here, you may select your login method, where you can choose which account you would like to log into. You may choose between personal online banking, business online banking, business suite online banking, and lastly, Z-Rent. Once you choose the account you want to log into, you may click on the login button. Now this will take you to your login portal, where you will have to enter your login credentials. However, if you haven't enrolled or created an account before, you may click on the Enroll Now link right below the login button. If you do have an account, then you may proceed by entering your username in the first text box. Then you may enter your password in the second. In any case, if you forget your password, you may click on the Forgot Password link right beside the login button in green. Once you make sure you filled all your details correctly, then you may click on the login button to proceed. This is how you may easily log into your enterprise bank account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.